Hello guys, and welcome back to new video on this channel. So if you check the latest version of Aimogen, you will see in its changelog that added the ability to create custom fields and custom taxonomies in the AI content editor. So let us check on this feature, and if you go to the AI content editor menu, editing templates and options tab, you will be able to scroll down here and search for post automatic custom fields, custom taxonomies options, and you can enable this feature so the plugin will automatically process posts and add custom fields or custom taxonomies to them. So let me show you how to use this. For this, let us go ahead and create a new post. So for example, let's go to trash with this testing post. We don't need this anymore, and let's go and create a new post. And with some text here and publish it. Okay, we will be able now to go in and set some configuration rules here. So if we want to set custom fields automatically using AI to newly published posts or to posts which we manually edit, we will be able to do this using this format. So the slug of the custom field equals greater, this little arrow formed from equals greater, and the prompt which will be sent to the AI, which will run the actual AI and will create the value as the custom field, the AI generated value. So for example, let's write here Earth circumference. Circumference. I hope that I managed to get this word right, circumference. And what is the of the Earth? Provide only a numeric answer. Okay, and if we want to create multiple custom fields, I write here a new line, enter and go to the new line, and moon circumference, and let's do the same moon. Okay, so we have here two custom fields which will be created and assign the numeric value to these custom fields. And let me show you also how to use the taxonomy slug. So we can go with the category taxonomy, as categories are also taxonomies. If you have custom taxonomies created on your site, you can write here the slug of your custom taxonomy, but I will create categories now. So let's write who is the current president of Romania. Yeah, so some basic question. Okay, write only the president's name. Okay, so we can set the number of custom taxonomies to be added to 1. If we write here, write a comma separated list of president names of USA, then you can limit the number of how many taxonomies the AI will create using this field. And do not add inexistent custom taxonomies. I keep this unchecked as I don't have this value currently set on my site in taxonomies. Okay, here we will be able to set the assistant name or the AI model that we want to use when running these prompts, and we are good to go. Save settings, and we will be able to edit this post. So let's check it first on the front end. It is with the news default category, and let's click this button and click process with Aimogen. So let's go ahead and process it with Aimogen, and this will assign a new category to the post and also the circumferences, as you can see here. The Earth circumference and the moon circumference. And if we refresh our post, we have also the current president of Romania set as a category. So you can see here, this is set from the custom taxonomy editor from here, and the custom fields are set by the custom field generator. So keep in mind that you can use also shortcode using the prompts here. You can set to use the post title, content, categories, title, author name, and many more shortcodes will be able to be used to create the custom fields and custom taxonomies to match the post that you publish. Okay, and let me show you how you will be able to run this also. So I showed you this manual processing with this button of each post. You will be able to bulk edit existing posts using existing content editor, and you will be able to set here restrictions, and after you set the restrictions and save settings, you will be able to run editing here. And you will be able to edit automatically also newly published posts. So for example, if you want to edit the posts that you want to publish, set this to on, uncheck the do you want to edit, disable editing of posts, so uncheck this, so this post editing will be enabled, and save settings. And now all we have to do is go ahead and create a new post. New post 2, and all we have to do is publish it. And while we publish it, we also create the AI content for them. So if we refresh, we will see that we got the new post automatically edited, and if we go into the new post 2, we have the 2 values also set. So let me check just for fun here if the 2 values, the custom field values, match. So we have 40075 and 6786.4. So yeah, the IDs of the posts don't match, but the custom fields actually match because the AI returned the same value. Okay, so this is how you will be able to set custom fields and custom taxonomies to your posts with the help of the Aimogen AI content editor. And go ahead and check this feature. You will be able to use custom fields UI as a helper plugin to create your custom fields or custom taxonomies. So you will be able to set your custom fields and custom taxonomies like this. Be sure to tell the AI to return a comma separated list of things if you want to set multiple values by the AI. So if you want to go and create multiple categories, write a comma separated list of colors. Okay, and we can go ahead and create a maximum of 5 colors. And this is how you create multiple categories using the same prompt that you instruct the AI to create a comma separated list of things. So now let's save this, and we can go ahead and edit this existing post process with Aimogen. And after the processing is finished, we will be able to check the list of colors: blue, green, purple, red, yellow. So these are the colors that we got, and they are 2, 4, 5 colors, exactly as we instructed the AI. So write a comma separated list of colors. Okay, so one more thing that I mentioned already, you can also use post title as additional information to be sent to the AI prompt. So in this case, new post 2 will be sent. So extract keywords from this text. We can also extract some keywords from this text. So the text will be post title. And now let us remove all categories just to be sure that we don't get interference from them. And let's process this again. So we will extract keywords from new post 2. and let's see new post. So yeah, the AI returned keywords like this. I forgot to tell that extract a comma separated list of keywords from this text. So now we will be able to do it right. As let's unset this category and let's process with Aimogen once again, and we will get a comma separated list of values now, and here it is, news post. Oh, so new post, and the news was already there, the news category was already there, so new post. Okay, so this is how you will be able to use the custom fields and custom taxonomies feature in the AI content editor in Aimogen, which is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it, as it should be really useful for you. And if you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. I read all the comments that you leave and reply and note also your suggestions. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. It helps me go forward. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these videos that I create. Until next time, bye bye.